Title: The Hidden Treasure of Lübeck. In the year 1525, Lübeck was a bustling trading city in northern Europe. Among its busy merchants was a young man named Johann. Johann was known for his sharp instincts in finding valuable goods and dreaming big. One day, while haggling over spices, Johann overheard a group of traders talking about a hidden treasure. They spoke of gold and silver coins from a shipwreck that had sunk during a terrible storm. The treasure was believed to be buried near some old castle ruins just outside the city. Excited by the thought of adventure, Johann decided he had to find it. Early the next morning, Johann gathered a few close friends and they set off on their quest. They walked through a thick, enchanting forest until they reached the crumbling ruins of the castle. The sunlight streamed through the trees, making everything look magical as they began to dig. After hours of hard work, they finally struck something hard. It was a chest, covered in dirt and barnacles. Their hearts raced with excitement as they pulled it out and opened it. Inside, they found a dazzling pile of gold coins, sparkling jewelry, and beautiful artifacts. Just as they began to celebrate their discovery, trouble struck. A group of jealous merchants who had been watching them rushed in and attacked. In the chaos, the treasure was lost again, buried deep in the forest. Feeling sad but determined, Johann and his friends chose not to give up. Instead of keeping the treasure a secret, they decided to tell everyone in Lübeck about it. They called a meeting in the town square and shared their incredible story, explaining how the treasure could benefit the entire community. Inspired by their bravery, the townspeople rallied together. They formed a search party, promising to work as a team to find the treasure once more. As the days went by, their friendships grew stronger during their search. Finally, after many weeks, they discovered the treasure again, hidden deep in the forest. This time, they carefully brought it back to town. Instead of hoarding the wealth for themselves, they used it to improve Lübeck. They built schools, enhanced the port, and created jobs for everyone. The story of Johann and the treasure quickly spread throughout Lübeck, becoming a cherished legend to everyone that true riches are not just about gold, but about community and working together. And so, the tale of the hidden treasure reminded everyone in Lübeck that sometimes the best adventures lead to the most valuable treasures of all: friendship, unity, and hope.